Hi guys, Gala presents its super metallic steel scrub sponge. So let's see its review and demo. It's a combination of sponge and steel scrubber. So it's a 2-in-1 product and MRP is 45 rupees. The scrub material is sponge but it has metallic loops all over it. And the sides of the scrub are sealed. Inside there is a sponge. See? It bounces back. Texture of this sponge is rough and coarse, but it is comfortable on hand and it gives you a good grip. This scrub has metallic loops, no? Because of that, it leaves all your dishes spotlessly clean no matter how dirty they are. And you can use it for all your steel utensils, even your milk pan. You don't need a separate steel scrubber for that. This will clean it properly and see, it hold its shape. It doesn't limp like any other sponges. So you can use this for most of the surfaces. Your kitchen sink, gas stove, kitchen countertop. The only con is you cannot use this for your non-stick cookware. It will scratch the coating. Apart from that, it's easy to use, doesn't need much energy and value for money, as this will last much longer than your regular green scrub. It easily lasts for about 2 to 3 months. And the best part of this sponge is it creates foam for dishwashing like no other scrub can. So say goodbye to the green sponges and use this one, and I'm sure that you are going to love this. So this is a top choice. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.